how to pay installment in Lazada using credit card. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can pay in installment in Lazada using a credit card. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the Lazada app on your mobile. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. Over here, you have to search for the item that you want to buy. Then tap on Buy Now. Over here, you have to tap on View Payment Methods under the Select Payment Method option. Then just click on Installments. Over here, you have to select Installment Plan and Duration of Installment. Then just enter your credit card information and you will be able to pay in installment in Lazada. So that's how you can pay installment in Lazada using a credit card. That's all for this video.